how you can connect GitHub with VS Code. So simply open your Visual Studio Code, and once you are here, we want to click on the left menu bar, this little icon, it's extensions, and now we want to search for the GitHub. So simply type it here. These are the results, and we want to find the one which you want. In this area you can see actual downloads of that extension. This has 33 millions, this has 72 millions. So you can scroll down here and make sure that the extension is from the verified publisher, which is the GitHub. So choose your GitHub extension, and now we want to click on install with auto update turned on. And now wait until it's loaded. And now you have the GitHub in your VS Code. If you want to disable it, you can do it here. Also, the uninstalling the extension. And that's basically how you can do it. If you have any questions, leave a comment and see you next time.